Make sure that you read this disclaimer and understand it before doing anything suggested in this video. In this video, I am going to share with you something that I can't seem to find in some of the other videos about using chemical drain cleaners, and they might be there. The ones that I saw just didn't seem to have the information in it. So number one on the list is that chemicals can be harmful to your plumbing system. Just want to throw that out there. However, most of the research says that using hydrogen peroxide, and that's 3% hydrogen peroxide, and either baking soda or baking powder can help with a partial clog. Again, partial clog. The ingredients actually need to be able to make it to the clog. For example, if you have a sink that is backed up with water and the water is not flowing down the sink, then it's going to be difficult for the hydrogen peroxide and the baking soda to reach that area. And if the clog is too far away, by the time those products make it there, they will either be partially or no longer active at all. So again, if water is flowing down the sink, it's just flowing slower than normal, then feel free to use 2 parts of hydrogen peroxide to 1 part of baking soda by pouring the baking soda down the drain first, followed up by the hydrogen peroxide. So you're not going to mix the 2 of these together and then pour them down the drain. You're going to pour them down the drain in a specific order. And then the chemical reaction should start to produce bubbles that will be coming out of the drain. And of course, they will not be on the outside of the pipe like it shows in this picture. And after that chemical reaction has stopped, then you can pour some water down the drain and see if it's flowing better. If it isn't, then you can try it again. You can try it a couple more times. But if you don't see the results you're looking for, then it's probably going to be time to break out one of the drain snake cleaners. Another thing I need to point out is that if you try the baking soda trick and it doesn't work, then do not immediately pour any chemicals or bleach down the drain, because it could create a violent chemical reaction. Another idea someone suggested would be swapping out the hydrogen peroxide for white vinegar and keeping the same ratio of 2 to 1. And they also suggested plugging up the drain with the stopper to immediately force the pressure down into the clog rather than up into the sink, and then let it set for 15 minutes. However, I don't know if I agree with that one 100% because it could put a lot of pressure on the plumbing pipes. So I don't think I would hold my hand over the stopper to make sure that it wasn't going to pop back up. I would just let it pop back up to relieve some of the pressure instead of blowing my pipes apart. Next up on the list, you might be able to use some type of a grease dissolving soap along with some hot water. So pour about a 1/4 cup down the sink drain, let it set for 10 minutes, and then pour a large pot of boiling water down the drain to see if that solves your problem in the kitchen. This probably isn't going to be necessary in a bathroom or anywhere else. Another person in the house isn't going to be pouring grease down a drain. And thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, let us know by hitting the thumbs up button or letting us know in the comment area.